Welcome to the world of tantalizing aromas and exotic flavors. We're about to embark on a culinary adventure to Morocco. Our destination is the heart of Moroccan cuisine, the tagine. More than just a pot, the tagine represents a way of life. It embodies slow food, where patience yields incredible depth of flavor. Join me as we unlock the secrets of this ancient cooking tradition. Imagine a symphony of aromas filling your kitchen. Warm spices dance with the sweetness of dried fruits. Tender meat infused with fragrant herbs beckons you closer. This is the essence of a Moroccan tagine. At its core, a tagine is a slow-cooked stew. Get ready to discover the allure of Moroccan cuisine as we delve into the world of tagine. At the heart of a traditional tagine lies the meat, the foundation upon which the symphony of flavors is built. The choice of meat sets the tone for the entire dish, and in Morocco, three contenders reign supreme: lamb, chicken, and beef. Lamb, with its rich taste and tender texture, is perhaps the most quintessential choice for a tagine. For those who prefer a lighter flavor profile, chicken offers a delightful alternative. Beef, while a less common choice, brings its own robust character to the tagine. Envision tender beef cubes deeply flavored with smoky paprika and the earthy notes of cinnamon. Beyond the meat, a vibrant array of vegetables and fruits contribute to the tagine's symphony of flavors and textures. Root vegetables such as carrots and potatoes provide a hearty base for the tagine. Adding a touch of vibrancy, bell peppers and zucchini introduce a delightful sweetness and a slight crunch. Their bright colors add visual appeal to the dish, while their flavors meld beautifully with the other ingredients. Dried fruits such as apricots, prunes, and raisins contribute a touch of sweetness and a unique depth of flavor. Imagine plump, juicy apricots adding bursts of sweetness to every bite, contrasting beautifully with the savory spices. A symphony of scents, spices, and aromatics. The true allure of a Moroccan tagine lies in its captivating blend of spices and aromatics. Cumin, with its warm, earthy flavor, forms the backbone of many tagine spice blends. Coriander, with its slightly citrusy and sweet flavor, adds a refreshing counterpoint to the warmth of cumin. Cinnamon, with its sweet and woody notes, adds a layer of warmth and complexity to the tagine. Paprika, with its smoky and slightly sweet flavor, adds a touch of vibrancy and depth to the tagine. Imagine the aromatic steam rising from the tagine, infused with the intoxicating scent of freshly toasted cumin seeds. Picture the vibrant green hue of freshly ground coriander seeds, adding a touch of freshness to the spice blend. Envision the rich red hue of paprika powder, adding a touch of color and a subtle smokiness to the spice blend. Awakening the flavors, the base. Our journey into the heart of Moroccan cuisine begins with a simple yet essential step: building a flavorful base. Like a painter preparing their canvas, we start by gently coaxing out the natural sweetness of onions and the pungent warmth of garlic. In our tagine, or a heavy-bottom pot, we warm a generous drizzle of olive oil over medium heat. The oil shimmers, eager to embrace the aromatic dance about to unfold. As the onions turn a delicate golden brown, their sweetness intensifies and the garlic whispers its pungent aroma. We know our base is ready. Golden hues of flavor browning the meat. With our aromatic base patiently waiting, we turn our attention to the heart of our tagine, the meat. Whether we've chosen succulent lamb, tender chicken, or flavorful beef, this step is crucial for developing rich, savory notes that will permeate the entire dish. Gently pushing the onions and garlic to the sides of the tagine, we create a space for the meat to shine. Adding a touch more olive oil if needed, we ensure the pan is hot enough to create a beautiful sear on our chosen protein. We work in batches, ensuring each piece of meat has ample space to brown evenly, developing a caramelized crust that seals in its juices. Once each piece of meat is beautifully browned, we remove it from the tagine, setting it aside to rest patiently as we move on to weaving a fragrant tapestry of spices and vegetables. The aromatic symphony building layers of flavor. With our meat patiently waiting, we turn our attention to the true soul of Moroccan cuisine, the captivating blend of spices that will transform our dish into an aromatic symphony. To the fragrant base of onions and garlic we add our chosen spices, their vibrant colors a feast for the eyes as their aromas begin to bloom in the warmth of the tagine. Ground cumin with its warm earthy notes forms the foundation, its nutty aroma filling the air. Next comes coriander, its slightly citrusy fragrance adding a refreshing counterpoint, followed by turmeric, lending its warm, earthy aroma and a touch of golden hue. We sprinkle in paprika, its smoky notes adding depth and complexity, and cinnamon, its sweet, woody aroma weaving its way into the symphony. As the spices release their intoxicating aromas, we return the browned meat to the tagine, nestling it amongst the fragrant blend, ready to be enveloped in a symphony of flavors. A gentle embrace, slow cooking and final touches. With our meat nestled amongst the fragrant spices, we prepare for the final act of our culinary adventure, the slow, gentle embrace of heat that will transform our symphony of ingredients into a harmonious masterpiece. We add our chosen vegetables, whether hearty root vegetables like carrots and potatoes or vibrant additions like bell peppers and zucchini, each contributing their unique textures and flavors to the mix. Dried fruits such as plump apricots, sweet dates, or tangy prunes add another layer of complexity, their natural sugars caramelizing during the long cooking process. Finally, we pour in our chosen liquid, whether a rich homemade broth or simple water, ensuring the ingredients are just barely covered. We bring the tagine to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, covering it with its distinctive conical lid. As the tagine simmers, its intoxicating aromas will fill the kitchen, a sensory reminder of the culinary journey we've embarked upon, a promise of the delicious feast to come. A culinary legacy, the history of the tagine. Our journey into the heart of Moroccan cuisine wouldn't be complete without delving into the rich history of the tagine itself. This renowned cooking vessel with its distinctive conical lid has graced Moroccan tables for centuries, its story intertwined with the ebb and flow of civilizations and culinary traditions. The origins of the tagine can be traced back to ancient times, with some historians believing that early versions of this cooking vessel were used by the Berbers, the indigenous people of North Africa. These early tagines were likely made from simple clay, their conical shape designed to retain heat and moisture, essential for cooking in the arid climates of the region. Over the centuries, the tagine's design and use evolved, influenced by the arrival of Arabs in North Africa and the subsequent spread of Islam. Today, the tagine stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of Moroccan cuisine, a symbol of culinary ingenuity passed down through generations. From humble origins to celebratory feasts, the tagine holds a special place in Moroccan culture, its presence extending far beyond the kitchen. It is a symbol of hospitality, family, and tradition, its use intertwined with the rhythms of daily life and the celebration of special occasions. In Moroccan homes, the tagine is often the centerpiece of the dinner table, its arrival met with eager anticipation. Families gather around, sharing stories and laughter as they savor the fragrant stew, the act of eating from a communal dish, fostering a sense of togetherness and shared experience. The tagine is also an integral part of Moroccan hospitality. Guests are welcomed with open arms and a steaming tagine, the offering of food symbolizing warmth, generosity, and a genuine desire to share the best of Moroccan culture. Beyond the pot, the tagine, in its simple yet elegant form, has transcended its culinary purpose to become a powerful symbol of Moroccan culture itself. It embodies the values of patience, resourcefulness, and a deep appreciation for the art of slow food, reflecting the essence of Moroccan life. The tagine's conical shape, a testament to the ingenuity of Moroccan craftsmanship, has become a quintessential image associated with the country. From souvenirs sold in bustling souks to intricate designs adorning restaurants and hotels, the tagine's silhouette evokes a sense of place, transporting one's imagination to the heart of Morocco. The slow simmering process, the gentle melding of flavors, and the anticipation that builds as the tagine cooks, all speak to a culture that values patience, mindfulness, and the appreciation of simple pleasures. The tagine, in essence, is a microcosm of Moroccan culture itself, rich in history, steeped in tradition, and brimming with flavors that captivate the senses and nourish the soul. A feast for the senses, serving and savoring tagine is an art in itself. As the tantalizing aromas of our tagine fill the kitchen, signaling the culmination of our culinary journey, we turn our attention to the art of serving and savoring this Moroccan masterpiece. The tagine, having worked its wonders over hours of gentle simmering, is ready to be presented, its rich flavors and captivating aromas promising a feast for the senses. Traditionally, tagine is brought to the table in its earthenware pot, the conical lid lifted with a flourish to reveal the steaming treasure within. The presentation itself is a feast for the eyes, the vibrant colors of the vegetables and the rich sauce contrasting beautifully with the earthenware backdrop. Fluffy couscous, its delicate grains perfectly cooked to absorb the flavorful sauce, serves as the perfect accompaniment, providing a blank canvas for the tagine's complex flavors to shine. Spoonfuls of the stew, laden with tender meat, melt-in-your-mouth vegetables, and plump dried fruits, are gently placed over the couscous, creating a tapestry of textures and tastes. To elevate the dining experience, a sprinkle of toasted almonds or pine nuts adds a delightful crunch, while fresh herbs such as cilantro or parsley provide a burst of freshness that cuts through the richness of the dish. And for a truly authentic Moroccan touch, wedges of preserved lemon, their tangy, salty flavor, provide a final flourish. As we gather around the table, sharing stories and laughter, the tagine becomes more than just a meal. It transforms into a shared experience, a celebration of Moroccan culture and the art of slow food. Each bite, infused with the warmth of spices and the culmination of hours of patient cooking, is a testament to the wonder that unfolds when we embrace the spirit of tagine. Beyond the recipe, our journey into the heart of Moroccan cuisine has taken us beyond the realm of mere recipes and ingredients. We've explored the history of the tagine, its cultural significance, and the spirit of slow food that it embodies. But the true essence of tagine lies not just in its preparation but in the experience it offers, the connections it fosters, and the invitation it extends to embrace a slower, more mindful way of life. The tagine, in its simplicity, encourages us to slow down, to savor the process of cooking, and to appreciate the anticipation that builds as flavors meld and aromas fill the air. It reminds us that good things take time, that patience is a virtue, and that the most rewarding experiences are often those that unfold slowly. Beyond the kitchen, the spirit of tagine invites us to cultivate a deeper appreciation for connection and shared experiences. The act of gathering around a table, sharing a meal prepared with care, and engaging in meaningful conversations is a cornerstone of Moroccan culture, a tradition that transcends borders and resonates with the human desire for connection. In a world often characterized by busyness and isolation, the tagine stands as a symbol of the enduring power of food to bring people together. It reminds us to prioritize shared meals, to create traditions that nourish both body and soul, and to embrace the simple yet profound act of breaking bread with loved ones. So, as you embark on your own tagine adventures, remember that you're not just preparing a dish, you're embarking on a culinary journey that celebrates culture, connection, and the art of slow living. Embrace the spirit of tagine and let its flavors and aromas transport you to the heart of Morocco, where time slows down, conversations flow freely, and the simple act of sharing a meal becomes a celebration of life itself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.